So she is carrying the water. I think the vessel is empty. I hope she is helping her mom. And here we have some boys. She's eating some noodles. The boy was playing and the girl was working. So she was helping her mom, I guess, probably.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Time to play the game. Yes, this is the game. So guys, welcome into the channel once again. So today we are traveling, we are making some off-road rides. So let's go. So there is two differences among vlogging. हैन गाइस, त्यहाँ यस्तो हुन्छ के, दुईटा डिफरेन्स हुन्छ नि त. लाइक भ्लग गर्नु र मनले भ्लग गर्नु हैन. सिम्पली भ्लग गर्नु र मनले भ्लग गर्नुमा चाहिँ क्या फरक हुन्छ नि त हैन. सो त्यही हो, तपाईँ जसरी पनि भ्लग गर्नुहुन्छ, जसरी पनि भिडियो मेक गर्नुहुन्छ नि त हैन, जसरी पनि त भिडियो मेक गर्नुहुन्छ नि त. सो यदि तपाईँ भिडियो मेक गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने मनले बनाउनु के, एकदम मनले क्या. लाइक तपाईँ आफूले रमाएको होइन, हरेक कुरा के, सानो सानो कुरा पनि चाहिँ भ्लगमा चाहिँ त्यसरी नै एक्सप्रेस गर्नु के होइन. जस्ट अब भिडियोमा भ्युज आउनुको लागि मात्रै रमाएको जस्तो गर्ने होइन कि. तपाईँ खुद आफै रमाउनु होइन. सो तपाईँ नेचुरली रमाएको भ्यू चाहिँ मान्छेहरूले मन पराउँछन् के. सो द्याट इज द थिङ, द्याट इज द डिफ्रेन्स है. सो त्यही हो, तपाईँ के को लागि गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ र किन गर्दै हुनुहुन्छमा फरक छ नि त. एउटा हुन्छ तपाईँ अब भ्लगमा अब भ्युजको लागि मात्रै हो, एउटा चाहिँ जस्ट मेमोरी कलेक्ट गर्न मात्रै होइन. तर तपाईँको भिडियोमा भ्युज नआउँदाखेरि तपाईँहरूलाई नमजा लाग्छ नि त होइन. सो किन त्यस्तो गर्नु, बरु एटलिस्ट भ्युज नआए पनि तपाईँले भ्लग गर्दा मजा चाहिँ लुट्ने हो नि त होइन. सो मजा लुट्नको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ जस भिडियो जस्तै भए पनि होइन, भिडियो जस्तै भए पनि मजा चाहिँ लुट्नु के. सो नेपालको बाटो यस्तै छ, हल्का कच्ची. अब उता त पक्की बाटो पनि थियो होइन, तर मलाई यही बाटो जान चाहिँ हल्का आज मन लागेर चाहिँ यो बाटो आइदिएको होइन. सो अफरोड बाटो.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. For all the pain.
सो त्यही हो, पहाडमा चाहिँ यही फेसिलिटी छ कि. लाइक तपाईँलाई अफरोड चलाउनु छ भने अफरोडको मजा लुट्न पायो होइन. अनि तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ अब होइन अनरोडको चाहिँ मजा लुट्नु छ भने अनरोडको मजा लुट्न पाउनु भयो है त. Finally we are heading back to our home. Oh my god, look at the way is such risky and dangerous. The way was risky over there only. So now we are heading back to our home. So sometimes having some off-road ride makes our health quite a bit healthy, as the movement of our intestine and all these muscles keeps us healthy. And I know that you have heard that while the bike wow, mango trees, lychee trees or mango trees, both combined. So look at this off-road, look at the off-road of Nepal. So it's already 5:30 in the evening and we are still vlogging. We are still having some off-road ride in our naked sports, so sports bike running in off-road ride. I hope you are having some proper view in this super view mode of my GoPro Hero 10. So I'm not sure how the video is producing, so shall we catch the highway? I hope there is another way as well, so why not going in the same way as is the shortcut way going to the town. So look at the view, guys, such a lovely scene, but it's not quite pleasant. So she is carrying the water. I think the vessel is empty. I hope she is helping her mom. Such a good child she is. And here we have some boys. She's eating some noodles. So do you see the differences? The boy was playing and the girl was working. So she was helping her mom, I guess, probably. I'm not sure if she was searching or pushing to gain some lifts to the town, but as she didn't tell me, so I didn't stop. I could not help. So in order to be helped, you need to ask first. Everyone need to ask first, because it's not that easy to help by our own feel. The life is not easy, the life is not same for everyone, guys. So finally I burned nearly 1 or 2 liters of my petrol, nearly 120 liter per liter, the rate of the petrol. Guys, I'm really being scared of these traffic polices nowadays, because my license has been expired. It's nearly 3 months it's been expired and I have not renewed my license still yet. So I hope I will renew it tomorrow, most probably. So money is the only thing which we need very often, and without it our maximum works are just doesn't get complete quite easily. Without money nothing is possible. Even our vlogging, even our writing is not possible. So we have to earn money. So guys, do comment how you felt after watching the video. So trying some English language, though it's not easy for me in a fluent way, but I am trying, and I think I will make it one day. I will make it one day. Motovlogging is not quite easy. There is lots of competitions as the number of motovloggers. So look at the work they have to do. They have to carry the water, as the water is not found very easily quite often to every places. So this is the exact condition of Nepal, guys. So the roads are under construction, The water system is not quite good. See the wires. Oh my god. So the big mountains has been cut off for the expansion of the road. So you can see the excavator. The man is working over there. Oh, come my baby, come my baby. Love my butterfly. So I just simply can wish that there is no any traffic checking, which I felt, which I faced few. जाने हो? Which I faced few hours ago. So there you can see the program, culture program, I guess, or is there any ceremony? They were just having some fun. Oh, cycling in Nepal is not quite easy as well, as the country is quite slopey. Steep slopes everywhere, as this is the mountainous region of Nepal. So if you are cycling, if you are planning to have a cycling, then you should have some gears into your mountain bikes. Else it will be very hard for you to have some mountain bike rides over here. Without gear, it's not possible. Else you have to just carry your cycle and move on.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Guys, here you can see a man was trying to overtake from the long range. He said, being ready to. So anyways, after completing this bridge, after crossing this bridge, I'll be closing my vlog. Anyways, it was so after saying goodbye, I'm not stopping to vlog because I have my habit to stop my video or stop my recording after I reach my home. So some crazy road rides. Too much traffic today. Too much traffic in this narrow road. Shall I go or shall I not? Why to be hurried? Why to be hurried? Why to take hurry? Why shall we hurry? Wrong side overtaking, as you didn't give me the side while I was going. So thanks for watching the video. Take care. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Bye bye.